Aurora, the self-driving vehicle company, going public via a SPAC merger today. The CEO and co-founder, Chris Urmson, joins us now to give viewers a glimpse at the company and fill us in live there at the Nasdaq. Tell us more.
Well, thanks for having me on. Yes, Aurora, we founded about 5 years ago with a mission to deliver the benefits of self-driving technology safely, quickly, and broadly. And what we're building is the Aurora Driver. It's an integrated system of software and hardware and remote data support services that enable vehicles from big tractor trailers to passenger vehicles to drive safely through the world. And we're going to deliver this technology through partnership in a driver-as-a-service model. You can think of it like a usage-based software business. And we work with some of the world's best companies. We work with Toyota, the world's largest car manufacturer. We work with Uber, the world's largest ride-hailing platform. We work with PACCAR and Volvo Trucks, two of the top 3 truck manufacturers in North America. And we work with FedEx, the largest carrier in North America.
And your goal is to have autonomous trucking in 2023, right? You mentioned FedEx, there's Volvo. Do you think you actually can reach the target? I know that's your goal. Is that realistic? What could be the hurdles?
Yeah, so we're on the road today pulling loads for FedEx with our Peterbilt 579s with the Aurora Driver installed, so we're excited to see that. Today we have 2 operators on board to support the system and as we're developing it. In 23, we're looking to launch commercially where the vehicles will operate without a driver. And these will be trucks that'll leave a terminal, drive the roads onto the freeway, drive the freeway for a few hundred miles, then pull off and pull into the terminal at the other end, all without a person on board. And for us, that's the goal, is to get to the end of 23 and launch that product. We have to put a lot of effort, of course, into making these vehicles safe. That's one of the core efforts we have here. And we're doing that through building the safety case framework, the safety case, which is an explanation why when something breaks, it's going to be handled appropriately, why when the vehicle's driving, we can have confidence it's safe, and that we have a culture at the company where we're able to kind of call out safety concerns and address them before they get realized in the real world.
Right, and with Aurora Driver, this platform, and do you see that more as a subscription service going forward? What can folks expect with that?
That's exactly right. So as Aurora, we believe in partnering with companies and doing what we do best, which is building that core driving technology. If you're a fleet that wants to own trucks, you'll go to PACCAR or Volvo, you'll buy the truck, and then you'll ask for that with the Aurora Driver to provide the driving capability for you. Sorry, using the microphone here, the earpiece here. And then you'll pay a subscription to Aurora, and we'll get paid based on how much you use that truck and for basically to drive it for you.
And when you look at the competition in this space, is there anything like your company, in your opinion? And what's really going to set you apart in the world of autonomous in the next 5-10 years?
Yeah, I think what sets us apart is the quality of team we have. We're about 1,600 people with folks who have deep experience in this space. And so we understand where the dead ends are. We're not going to end up with demoware. We're going to end up with products that actually can scale. We have the best partnerships, the #1 car manufacturer, 2 of the top 3 truck manufacturers in North America, best ride-hailing platform, largest fleet carrier in the US. So we're incredibly excited about those partnerships. And then the technology itself, our FirstLight LiDAR can see further and has this ability to measure distance automatically, instantaneously, and we think that's very powerful for safety. Our approach with simulation for developing the system is very powerful, as is our ability to build really reliable and maintainable maps.
As you are in this trucking industry, you have a long line of products that you're really excited to introduce to folks. And as people walk away from this interview, what do you want them to really think about? Because I know that you're ever building, ever growing. What should they be focused on when they say Aurora?
Well, I think it's, again, quality of the team, the technology, and the partnerships. It's the fact that the space we're operating in is just an incredibly rich opportunity that digital advertising 25 years ago, when companies like Google started to work in that space, where the market was about 1/5 the size of what transportation is today. And so the opportunity for us to go and both do amazing societal good, improving safety, improving accessibility, and the reliability of our supply chain is huge. The economic opportunity and the value we can create for our shareholders is also incredibly large.
Chris Urmson, thank you. Thank you so much to you and the Aurora team. Wonderful to see you. Congratulations on a big day. I'm glad you were able to join us today. You'll come back and give us some updates. Thank you very much, Chris Urmson of Aurora.